into our house, and you know that this is our new house, and my cool glasses right here. Not now. Okay, right now we're at the backyard. So today we're going to be showing you
DIY projects.
Yeah, DIY project with woods, like just stuff that you just put nails on like that. And the first project our first project was my headboard. It looks so pretty, and the person who made it is by Mommy. She did it on her for like almost like a month, maybe half.
This is project number 1, right?
Yes. Okay.
Number 1 and number 2.
Number 2. All right. So here is the second project that Mommy and Daddy did. So the headboard was like something that goes inside, like this. You see these buttons just make it look fancy. I love it, and the person who made it is Daddy and Mommy. Mommy is the one who created this idea, and Daddy is the helper. Then when they helped, this is what it came out, and it looks so good. I love it. I'm gonna make a comment. What if they make a square chair that is like this? It will look perfect. Gorgeous. Okay, let's go to the third project. Daddy. Alright, so this is the project number 3. So it's right here. And I can see you like, I wonder what it is.
The shelf we put
it is a shelf for a statue.
we put a statue for monk.
A little
monk.
statue, yeah. And this is, well, even though it's not finished, but we got the plan.
We have to make this place or this floor.
Yeah.
I mean, cover on the top.
Mm-hmm.
This is our drawing. We have a dimension on it, and today we're ready to go. But we have the project number 4. Number 4. What is that, Ellie?
As you see, you thought it's going to be like a ladder, or where you do art, like painting. Actually,
You bring the board on top.
alright. So, yeah, as you see, you just put the whiteboard here. It's not like where you put art, and plus you have to put, you see here on the board, you have to put that on. Wait, first you need to move it, and then you put it on. There it is. And the other one, you squeeze this one, and then you put it. Alright, now you put it, need some help with this.
You just slide a bit.
Oh, okay.
Move it up a bit. That's easy.
Yep. So that. No one made this before, because we did it differently and it's bigger. As you can see right here, the leg is more thin, but this one is thicker and longer.
Maybe we have to cut on the tops.
Yeah, maybe we might.
We never use on top. Maybe it's look ugly.
Nah, I don't know. Maybe we use every single time we're gonna came up with ideas.
Maybe you put something here.
Yeah.
Put the iPad on top.
Oh!
When you're writing a drawing.
No, I don't exactly need iPad to draw whatever. Well, so this is where you put the board. Well, if you want to make this, you have to let your mom and dad. You have to let your children do this. It's dangerous because you still have to cut it. You see that it looks like you don't have to cut it because you just buy it and then you just put it together. No. It used a long time to make this. They cut here. It's actually a long
Long piece.
Yeah, long piece.
Long piece of
But
wood.
but right here you can see that there's a cut. There is a cut right there. See? All right. Okay, now I'm gonna let you guys comment which project is your which one do you like? Do you like the first one, the second one, or the third, or the fourth? Oh, and Daddy, we're still doing this. It's a spray. We put the spray on. Because first it looks like a wooden. It looks a bit old and stuff like that. So we sprayed it white, and it does kind of look shiny a bit. We could have get the colors. Oh, or maybe we could put rainbows. Just comment down below which one we could get. Bye.
Bye.
Buddy. Guys, today we're gonna be this is a part 2, EP2. So we're gonna continue doing this. Remember this one is the third project we did, and yep, we're
We
gonna
have to cut it first.
yeah, we have to cut the cardboard.
The cover plate, cover wood. On top, we got to 219 mil, and very lucky we got a wood plate 219 mil. It is good. No need to cut it too much. Just cut it, curve it to suit this one, this pole. And now we have to measure first. This one, maybe slide a ruler. Then stop. Bye. Yeah. Bye.
So Dad has marked the line so he can cut it.
And this one is 19 mil width, and I can't remember, 40, around 40, 42, that's quite sure, but we can.
Why would you mark right there?
We mark before we cutting to make sure everything is alright. This one we have to stop here. That means we have to cut like this. That means when we put into this one,
Yep.
very easy.
So you mean like the corner, like
At
these?
the corner. Yeah.
Mm.
There it is.
So Dad already marked the square lines where these are.
This means we have to cut here.
Oh, I get it now. I get what you're doing.
You know what is this?
Yeah, you have to cut this,
Yeah, cut that.
and then you put them, like, stick them. Okay, now I get it. But what if they didn't stuck where it is? Do you have to put one of these on again?
Yeah. Look up here.
Yeah, we're cutting there.
Yeah.
There, all there. Yeah, they cut. So he's gonna cut the square out, and then the square that left out is here. He's gonna put it like that.
Yeah, let's get out.
Yeah, and right there. He's
Get
gonna
out.
cut it.
Get out. And
Get out here. And
Oh no, he's gonna use this cutting thing.
one and stuff.
now we lock them so it won't fall off like a paper. Oops. That was an accident. As you guys can see, when he did it like twice harder, it's because he needs to make it more. Yeah, like that. Now everything kind of fall off, loose off, and plus it's really strong. That's why we could put a statue on, not a big.
เราต้องไม่เชื่อกัน340 We got this dimension only 340 and this dimension to should be I don't know. Three, 4, 2 and 2, 6, 270. Look at 270. 3, 270, 270. And we will cut this one. Make sure and cut this one.
Oops, sorry.
How much? 340. Look at.
Have you seen the video that we were cutting and doing their stuff? Well, we haven't colored in or sprayed anything yet, but it has finished, and this is what it came out. Dun dun dun. Well, it does look good. As to me, it looks like a house for them, and that's good, or a temple. But actually, if we just comment down below if you like this, or this could help with your ideas. You could do like these, and these are just like a board, just a box board. It's not exactly a box board, but it's really strong, just for putting statues, but not too big statue like one of these statues. And so this is what we put in. We put statues, necklace, and the picture just for our stuff. And the standing looks pretty well, and it looks like the picture that we did last time. I mean, the picture that we did. Okay, now up to here that you guys know that the legs for the board. Yeah, and yeah. Okay, thank you for watching, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to your friends, because that might help with their ideas, or maybe help them with them. Okay, bye-bye.